Hi, I'm CJ and this is my RC channel. In this video, I want to unbox for you my answer to COVID-19 isolation. The Horizon Hobby Blade 70S helicopter. And this little box contains the helicopter and the transmitter and one battery, rechargeable, a small charger, and 4 AA batteries for the transmitter. So it's ready to go. Open it up, read the instructions, charge up the battery, and start flying around your living room, or your bedroom, or down the hallway, or wherever you want. This is designed as an indoor helicopter, but various people in the reviews have said that it definitely flies well outdoors if there's no wind. I've even seen some people flying these in light wind, and you know, it's not, you don't have as much control, but you can get away with it. In any event, let's go over the basics. It has Spectrum's safe technology. In other words, it's got a onboard gyro that is going to limit what you can do with it while it's in mode. It has dual rates, so you can have more or less influence over the helicopter. It is capable of hands-off hover. It is a fixed pitch flybarless design, which means there's less parts. You can't do advanced aerobatics. It is limited. It's a beginner's helicopter for sure. And it's a great way to get yourself going into that area of the RC hobby. They cost $70. That was what I paid for mine. And they are selling like hotcakes right now. They can't keep them on the shelves. As of this video, the 30th of July, they are out of stock at Horizon Hobby, but they have reduced their price from $69.99 to $59.99. You can order yours now and it will arrive sometime in August. So they are taking orders apparently, at least according to the website. You can add it into your cart and make the purchase. And I assume that they're just going to ship it out to you as soon as they come in, and they're going to fill those orders first come, first serve. So if you're interested, grab one. They look like a lot of fun, and I'm going to show you some flying videos, and I'm going to see how many landing pads I can find in my living room. The electronics are kind of, the way they describe it is they are contained in an extremely durable composite plastic frame. In other words, they are not as easily broken, and there's a very low parts count for this little kit. I'm sorry, it's not a kit, it's already built. It's ready to fly. But the low parts count means that it's going to be easier to fix, and it's going to be more durable. And pretty much every part on this is available. For example, a new set of blades, they sell them in pairs, so you get 4 blades, you know, one for each side, so they give you 2 pair for $4.99. A new battery is $4.99, so if you want to get yourself a couple of spares, do it then. Landing gear, one of the things that gets broken on these little helicopters, and the canopy, each of those is about $4. $4 or $5. The landing gear comes in pairs, so if you break your landing gear, you buy a pair, you're going to get, you know, you've got 2 more opportunities to destroy your landing gear. Even the electronics are available separately, but at the point of $38 for the control module, at $59.99, you might as well just get yourself a second chopper. In fact, one of the people who commented on their website said that he enjoyed it so much he bought a second right away. I want to read you a few comments from some of the people who posted on Horizon Hobby, just to give you some other points of view. Great helicopter, introduce you to how these things react. Love everything about this thing. Remarkably stable and surprisingly zippy in dual rates. This little bird will have you giggling like a schoolgirl as you dash around your living room. Quote, I do most of my flying in my backyard with no wind at all. It really is more for inside use, but does great outside with no wind. Quote, I carry it with me when I travel from Sweden to China so that I can fly it in the hotel room. That's how much I like this piece of engineering. So that's just a couple of the mostly excellent reviews. One thing a lot of people did state in their comments was read the instructions, and the few people who had bad comments, I have a feeling based on the way what they wrote in their comments, they either didn't read the instructions and or did not contact Horizon for help, because Horizon is fantastic about their customer support. I've had a couple issues with other items, not this one in particular, and they were just spot on. Their people were able to give me all the tech support I needed. If I needed something replaced, they replaced it quickly, got it right out to me. They make you feel like you're a priority to them, and that's really, really nice. So I'm sure if those people who had problems, if they had called their tech support, if it wasn't something that could have been worked out, they would have taken it back and given them a refund. I'm really surprised that those issues didn't get worked out. I'm skeptical of 1-star ratings where it's just it didn't work for me, I had problems, yada yada yada. So without a resolution, didn't reach out, whatever. So in any event, I'm going to unbox this, and then I'm going to do some videos, some flight videos for you coming shortly. So let's have a look inside and see what's in here. So let's see what's in the box. And there is our little mini chopper. Now these are brushed motors, and they are very small, as you can see. It's a direct drive, which means that the motor for the tail rotor is in the tail. We have a little square carbon fiber boom, and that just looks neat. Nice little setup. Here we have our battery already with some Velcro on it for us. Here is our little USB charger. As I mentioned, AA batteries included for the transmitter. Looks like we have a spare set of primary rotors already here. And here is our radio. And the sticks are nice. They feel a little, light, but they are, plastic gimbals. And looks like there's a data port back here. I'm not sure what that's for. We have a button up here, which is probably for our dual rates. Trims right where you would expect them to be. Power switch down here. Of course, this is our battery bay. So, there we go. One very small helicopter. I'm going to go ahead and do the recommended steps of reading through this nice little instruction book thoroughly and getting a good understanding of the controls and how to use the dual rates. And then I'm going to start flying this thing around the house and filming it for you. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click like. Please subscribe. That's a huge help to me. The more people I get, the sooner I get them, the more likely that I'm going to be able to continue this for you guys and keep putting out videos for you. Thanks again.